Hello and good morning class. Now we have already discussed about the chapter till festival we have already discussed. Okay. So now let us the chapter number 21, that is fun science. So first one, days and nights on the earth are caused by. So day and nights are caused by the rotation of the earth. Second, the basic unit of life in the animals and human is the cell. The basic unit of life in the human and cell, that is cell. Calcium in milk is good for strengthening the bones. That we all know that the calcium is good for our strengthening the bones. If you melt ice, it changes from solid to liquid state. A full moon looks like a in the sky. A caterpillar changes into a 6. That is 6 we will match with H, butterfly. Caterpillar changes into a butterfly. A tadpole can live in water and on land. It is 7. 7 we will match with an amphibian. Tadpole can live in water and land. It is an amphibian. The force that holds everything to the earth is gravity. Gravity is the thing that holds everything on the earth. Scientist who studies stars is called astronomer. A scientist who studies rocks is called a geologist. Okay. Now come on the next chapter, that is 22. More fun with science. Complete the following sentences using the options given in the help box. So options are already given in the help box, so you can check it. First, dash gets attracted to a magnet. So iron always get attracted to a magnet. Gravity present on the moon is very weak, so the astronomer dash there, float there. Okay, float. Now, that is float, astronaut. The dash was once classified as a planet in the solar system, but not so anymore. That is Pluto. Dash acts as an rubber always acts as an insulator. Rubber अगर आप पकड़ोगे, then it doesn't give you the effect of current. The measure of how a liquid flows is it's called viscosity. Life on the earth first began in the ocean. The earth's moon is called Luna. Water is found in the 3 forms. We already know that the water is found in 3 forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. Fastest thing in the universe, that is light. It moves in the with the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. A group of millions of stars together is called a galaxy. When a group of stars are there, that is called a galaxy. Now come on the next, that is the human body. Let us read some facts about the human body. First, our blood is red because of the red blood cells. Our blood is red because the red blood cells are present in our body. Blood makes a trip to all other parts in the body in 1 minute. Dash destroy and fight disease causing germs. White blood cells in our body destroyed the germs in our body. The normal body temperature of a healthy person is that is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Digestion of food takes place in the small intestines. A newborn baby has 300 bones, some of which join together, whereas an old has 206 bones. Means the newborn baby has a 300 bones. The person, when it becomes old, then it has only 206 bones in their body. The longest bone in the body is the thigh bone. The spinal cord is a nerve. The dash transports oxygen to all the parts of the body, that is lungs. Lungs transports oxygen to all parts of the body. The dash helps to remove undigested food out of the body, that is large intestine. Now, and that chapter is 24, that is measurement. Let us know how we measure the things. Which is longer, a mile or a kilometer? So, mile is longer than that, the kilometer. Which is larger or a gram? Gram is larger. What is the measured in amperes? Current is always measured in ampere, not in voltage. What is the unit of measurement of distance? If we are measuring distance, then we can measure in yard. 1 yard, 2 yard, okay, like that. Measurement of area is in acre. A coffee cup can hold about 250 ml of liquid. The normal body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. Water freezes and boils respectively at 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. It freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and it boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A paper clip weighs about 1 gram. Which is 23 kilometers or 25 meters? 25 meters is shorter than that of the 23 kilometers. Okay. Now the metric system. Metric system is also, we have how to measure units. Okay. So first, a meter is measure of length. We are using meter in measuring the length. Second, a liter is a measure of volume. Third, kilogram is a measure of mass. Fourth, 3600 seconds make an hour. Okay, 1 hour makes an 3600 seconds. Energy is measured in joules. Toasters and many other electrical appliances runs on electricity. The metric system was developed in France. 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. 1/1000th of a gram is 1 milligram. A small unit to measure weight, that is gram. So I think that it's enough for today. So in the next class we will continue with the page number 26 and I will send the photo of this so you can fill it in your book also.